So let's get cooking. We're gonna make us a chicken ring appetizer. This is really good. It's gonna go in this Ninja wood-fired oven. Let's start that. We just got the pizza rack in there. Because if you watch me cook, you know there's only one thing to do. Cast iron cooking. Love my cast iron. You learn how to take care of cast iron and it will be your friend for life. So let me get underway. We're gonna whip this together. It's easy. It's a great appetizer. Everybody seems to love it. I haven't made it in like a lot of years. Right before I go down and introduce some bands on this awesome stage at this amazing venue, we're gonna throw some food in the oven. So stand by, you don't wanna miss this. It's a chicken ring with crescents. And it's kind of like buffalo chicken wings inside. So let's get underway. I'll show you what it takes to put it together. Probably the main ingredient is chicken. You could buy rotisserie chicken, you could cook chicken, you could smoke chicken, but it's 95 degrees out here today. And I got things to do here later at this big music venue that we're hanging out at for a big country jam in Central Ohio. So let's go easy. Cans of chicken breast. I got 2 cans of those. I don't even know if that's how much it takes because I don't really have recipes of anything. I just make it up as I go. I got some Texas Pete hot sauce. So it'll be buffalo chicken and some cream cheese. We're gonna mix that. It's been sitting out like 1 minute. It's already softened. It's 95 in here. And we'll mix that in with a little bit of cheese. You can use mozzarella or whatever. Just so happens that I have Italian style 5 cheese blend. So we'll throw that in there and they'll be inside croissants. And I don't know if it's gonna take 1 or 2. You're gonna have to stick around to know the recipe. Because that's how I cook. I don't really look things up. I usually just go, I think that's what was in it, and we roll with it. So let's see what we can get into. We have softened cream cheese just sitting out here. It's warm today, so it's pretty softened. We'll throw that in the bowl. I'm just using this canned chicken, so I just popped the lid, did the old drain in the sink. There again, easy, no cleanup. That's the other part of my cooking. Easy and no cleanup. I'm gonna throw 1 in here just to see. Might need 2, but let's try it with 1. We'll just start combining that a little bit. Let's just get together some. What do you think? 2 can't hurt. Let me get the other one ready. All right, we've dumped this second thing of chicken in. Yeah, definitely. You want a lot of protein in this dish. I think 2 cans of chicken, which were, since I'm trying to be helpful, 12.5 ounces. The large, 28% more. I just bought what was on sale at the local grocer. So we have the chicken and the cream cheese. Let's do a little Texas Pete. We got numerous people gonna eat. Some of them gonna get crazy with that. I don't want it to be so hot that the people don't like hot stuff. Mixed up nicely. You know me, you watch my videos. There's one spice I put on almost everything. Let me show you what it is. Yep, same old Bad Byron's butt rub. Goes good on this kind of stuff. So we'll just hit it with a little bit of Bad Byron's. So that'll give it a little additional flavors. Okay, I think we're looking pretty good. What do you guys think? I think it looks good. So my old trusty cast iron skillet. This is a Lodge. Had this forever. It's been around. If you learn how to take care of a cast iron skillet, it'll take care of you for your entire life and your grandchildren's entire life and so on and so on. So once you learn how to take care of these, you're fine. Oh, by the way, I use dish soap to clean mine. That's no longer a thing. That was way back in the day when they made their own soap and it was real acidic or something. I don't even know. But I've been using dish soap for, I don't know, 20 some years. Just make sure you rinse it good, dry it good. If you got time, it's best to dry it on the stovetop. But since mine are all hanging up here behind me, they air dry fine. So I just hit it. I probably didn't even need to put the oil in there, but just because. All right, so now we're moving on to the next section, croissants. They're again easy. These things are good. Don't get scared when that pops open. It always reminds me of a kid when a Jack in the Box freaked you out. These aren't as bad as like the biscuit ones. So now, the only problem I have, because I don't look stuff up, I try to do it and remember when I did find a recipe. I forget which way to lay these, but we'll figure it out as we go. Stand by with what works. All right, we'll put that aside. So I think, if memory serves me right, we want to put the little side, yes, we want to put the little side down, big side up. I think that's right. And you want these to overlap. I'll kind of show you this here in a second. I use cast iron. If you're not a cast iron cooker, that's cool. I understand. Not everybody wants to deal with it. It is heavy, which is another thing with cast iron. But you just want to put this in the pan. And this is my, I don't know, I guess this is my 12-inch. The main reason I use this one for this kind of stuff is it fits in my Ninja oven perfect. And you just kind of want them to, they don't have to be perfect, but you kind of want them to seal together. I don't want to get a whole nother one, so I'm going to figure out how to make this work. So we're just going to move this around a little bit. As I think 2 is a waste, so basically what you want to do is you want to be able to put the stuff around kind of in a ring. So I'm going to separate the center. And then we're going to put our chicken mixture in. What's up, Bo?
Hi, buddy. How you making?
I'm making a buffalo chicken ring.
Huh.
I used to make it all the time.
Did you?
Yeah. All right, we got her ready, I think. How's that look? It's probably close to a ring. And we just want to take little bits of chicken, put it around the center, or a lot of chicken. Probably ought to use a spoon, huh? Yeah, or something. There we go. And just throw this buffalo chicken with the cream cheese. Alright, so the goal is you want to have your chicken, because we're going to wrap this over this, so you kind of want to have your chicken towards the center of the ring. I don't know. That's probably close enough. Hopefully this will work out. We're going to get a little bit of cheese here. Like I said, you can use a mozzarella or whatever. I just so happen to have some 5 cheese blend that looks good. Just put a little cheese on here, or a lot, whatever. This is fine shredded, so that probably will be a good mixture for this. All right, we get that on there, and then this is the moment of truth. We want to bring this over, wrap it. Bring this over, just fold it over and wrap it into the ring. Just straighten her up, make it, look about equal distance, and that looks pretty darn good. So put the ring together, just got it, pretty much equal here. There you have it, right in the middle of the cast iron. I'm just gonna lightly hit it with some butt rub. I think it might be a good trick, might help it have a little good texture and color. And let's throw in the Ninja wood fired oven here. So we had this on 375. Put that in there, that fits in perfect. 35 minutes later. I guess I could have done 2. So I'm just gonna put this in the fridge and maybe make another one tomorrow. So probably could have used 1 can and half the cream cheese. But it's not gonna be a problem because we like to eat, so we'll make this into something here soon. So we'll get this stuff put in the fridge and let that cook, and we'll be right back. Let's check this thing out. We've been, I don't know, underway for 10 or 15 minutes. Oh boy, look at that. It's getting pretty close already. Keep a close eye on them. We'll pull these babies off here momentarily. right, we got all the peeps here. Look, people showing up to eat. Hopefully I wasn't talking like I've been known to do and let it go too long. I think we're all right, but let's take a look. Oh, look at that beauty. Oh my goodness, is that pretty? Now where do I put this? No, I made the buffalo. Look at that, buffalo chicken ring. I made that. And you guys haven't even had it yet. And then if you're really, really cool, you can put like a cup, a small little decorative cup thing and put some dipping sauce in. But you know what? We're not them kind of people at a campground. What we're going to do is we're going to grab this and we're going to grab this. So since we're at a campground, we don't do fancy, we do easy. We got some fine garlic ranch, probably be a good compliment. Some more Texas Pete, and we got some buttermilk ranch. So that'll be the dipping sauces. So I think we're ready. So what we got here, Stan?
So we got some, is that hot? I don't think so. We got some Italian hot sausages, tomato sauce, and onions and peppers.
Oh boy, look at that.
Good old Pittsburgh Polish recipe.
Nice, I love it. That looks good. Cut this in little bite-sized pizzas. Who wants to be my taste tester today?
I'm telling you what, Bob, that ought to be on the front of a magazine.
Look at that. Didn't that turn out beautiful, Steve?
Oh, my.
I mean, that is like,
Did you think, Michelle?
wait till you bite
That
into
is
this.
magazine. I'm going to start a magazine.
So it's kind of like buffalo chicken. You know, cream cheese, chicken, some cheese. Look at that, would you? Oh, does that look good? I'm thinking this garlic ranch is me. A little dab of that. A little bite. Let's see. Hopefully it's as good as I remember. I haven't made this for a couple years.
Are the rest of us allowed to try it?
It's not very good. Take a bite when you get the chance. There you go.
Oh.
Well, you can do it that way. It don't matter. They want it to burn. It's pretty hot inside, so be careful.
You're right.
Not very good.
Not very good. Nobody should eat this.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
We'll save everybody and eat it ourselves.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And you know the other thing? Why have I not made this for like 2 years?
I don't know. But
What is wrong with me?
we'll be back next weekend.
Well, the funny part is, I don't have recipes of very much stuff, and I like made a double batch so we can have some tomorrow again. We'll make a second one. All right.
That is good, Bob.
I'm glad you enjoy.
Don't need no sauce. Good the way it is.
That is good. As always, Cooking with Bob on my small channel, and it's real important if you click that like, subscribe, and notifications. Let me know if you tried out the buffalo chicken rings by Cooking with Bob.